Bitcoin is at $115,000, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at what is new. There's some things that I want to go over in this video, so let's get right into it. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy, Crypto RJ. Happy Thanksgiving Monday to everyone that is celebrating today. I think it's just the Canadians. So yeah, happy Thanksgiving to you guys. Let's get right into it. So first off, guys, like I said, Bitcoin's at $115,000. It is looking to have made a pretty strong recovery from its huge crash. We could see in the past week as well, guys, yeah, we had a pretty, let's say, volatile week. From 125, I mean, from literal all-time highs to about 10, I think 105-ish, and then going back to 115. I do think we're going to have new all-time highs this week, which is going to be pretty freaking cool. It's only a matter of when, not if. Okay, now some more bullish news. Bitcoin Hyper, the fastest layer 2 chain on Bitcoin, has now raised $23 million. If you guys don't already have a bag of this, I will leave a link down below. Very simple to go ahead and purchase. Literally just click the link down below. Click buy with crypto, boom, bada bing. Very easy, very simple, very cool. Okay, now Michael Saylor's strategy has now surpassed PayPal in market cap, which is very cool to see. Bitcoin companies are winning. Okay, very, very cool, guys. And it's actually nuts to think. I actually do own a bit of PayPal stock. I'm pretty sure I still do. And it's like, wow, like I should have just bought Bitcoin. I probably would have made a lot more money that way. Now, Citibank confirms Bitcoin and crypto custody launch in 2026, which is very cool as well. I believe Citibank is big in America. We definitely don't have them in Canada. I don't know where else in the world they operate, but I think it's just America. Regardless, more mass adoption coming. I don't know how big Citibank is, but I would assume all banks are, eventually going to have a Bitcoin and crypto custody. So yeah, I mean, hey, overall, still pretty bullish. Now, JP Morgan confirms on CNBC that they will allow clients to trade Bitcoin and crypto next year. Very freaking bullish, right? Obviously, JP Morgan being one of the biggest conglomerates in finance history, that's very bullish. And again, more people are going to have access to Bitcoin. Now, some news from across the pond. Politician Nigel Farage supports adding Bitcoin to the UK's reserves if elected. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I don't think it's Rishi Sunak in as the president, prime minister, or whatever. In the UK, pretty sure that someone else starts like a placeholder. I don't know if Nigel Farage is gonna win or if he's favored to win. I don't pay attention to that type of politics, right, in the UK. But if we can get the UK to start a Bitcoin strategic reserve, that'd be pretty freaking fire. Now, Europe's largest asset manager, Amundi, is launching a Bitcoin ETF. Now, they hold more than $2 trillion in assets, so this is going to be huge. Will definitely give a lot more stability and volume into Bitcoin as well. Now, next up, Bitcoin miner Mara just bought 400 Bitcoin worth $46 million. They now hold 53,250 Bitcoin worth $6 billion. Once again, pretty freaking fantastic. And finally, guys, we got to end it off with the GOAT himself. Michael Saylor's strategy buys another 220 Bitcoin worth $27 million. More Bitcoin that you and I will never own. But guys, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.